Happy morning, everybody. In today's class, we are here to discuss about another disease we have come with today, Filariasis. Look at this. The name of disease is written the first top. Down below that, the name of disease is Filariasis. Then the name of pathogen, the causal organism which is responsible to cause this Filariasis is Wuchereria bancrofti. What is the pathogen? Wuchereria bancrofti. Name of the vector. Which vector, which animal is responsible to bring this Wuchereria bancrofti to us? They are Culex mosquito. The vector is Culex mosquito. And name of the host, in which organism this disease may further develop or spread or causes. A human being. In man, in human being, this disease due to the bite of this Culex mosquito. So the Wuchereria bancrofti. Before we discussed about few diseases, several diseases, about diseases caused by bacteria, diseases caused by virus, diseases caused by bacteria. We discussed about tuberculosis, typhoid, diseases caused by protozoans. We discussed about malaria. Diseases caused by virus, we discussed about AIDS and HIV, polio, etc. So this is an example of diseases caused by helminthic worms. Now Wuchereria bancrofti, we have taken here this Wuchereria bancrofti is the name of worm. There will be two worms, male and female. Their body is cylindrical, elongated like this. These worms will be living in the soil. Almost everywhere they are found. So they can't leave this male worm and female worm. The male Wuchereria bancrofti will be 4 to 5 centimeters long, whereas the female Wuchereria bancrofti, this female worm will be larger than the male worm. So these male and female worms, helminthic worms, Wuchereria bancrofti we call them. They will be living in the body of Culex mosquito. So Culex mosquito is a vector for them. Culex mosquito, when it comes and bites us, during the bite of female this Culex mosquito, the Wuchereria bancrofti which are living in the body of this Culex mosquito, during its bite, when it comes and bites us, during the bite, they are released, these male and female Wuchereria bancrofti, these worms are released into our body. When these worms are released into our body, initial stage, these worms, male and female Wuchereria bancrofti, these worms, they are released by this Culex mosquito during its bite into our blood. From the blood, this Wuchereria bancrofti, male and female worms, they migrate towards the lymph vessels. You know lymph vessels? Lymphatic system. As we have circulatory system which is composed with several blood vessels such as arteries, veins and capillaries. In a similar way, our body, in addition to the circulatory system, our body is composed of lymphatic system. The lymphatic system of our body consists of lymph vessels and lymph nodes. So we may get confusion. The circulatory system is responsible to collect the blood, deoxygenated blood present in the body part, and it is filtered in the lungs. From there again it is brought into the heart. Heart acts as a pumping device. Then the heart pumps the blood through the blood vessels. The blood is further supplied to the various organs, various parts of our body, which is oxygenated. This is the function role of circulatory system. What about this lymphatic system? Lymphatic system is responsible for circulation of lymph. The fluid which circulates during circulation is blood. We call it as a fluid connective tissue. Blood circulates during circulation of blood. What circulates during this lymphatic system? Lymph. What is lymph? It is a white fluid. Blood is red in color, lymph is white in color. Blood has red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles and blood platelets, whereas lymph do not have this red blood corpuscles, erythrocytes and thrombocytes, blood platelets, whereas lymph has only lymphocytes. What are lymphocytes? They are the type of leukocytes, white blood corpuscles. So it is white in color. It is, what is lymph exactly? It's a fluid, some amount of water and salt which is separated from the blood during circulation. That we call as lymph. What is lymph? Some amount of water and salt which separates from the blood during circulation. That we call as lymph. So this lymph fluid circulates in the lymph vessels or lymph nodes. So this Ucheria bank of male worm and female worm, as mentioned earlier, male worm will be shorter than the female worm. The Ucheria bank of female worm is a little larger than the male worm. These both worms will be living in the body of Culex mosquito. When the Culex mosquito comes and bites us, during the bite of this mosquito, the Ucheria bank of these worms are released into our body. Initially, when this Ucheria bank of male and female worms are entered into our body, they settle down, they live for a short span in our blood. From blood now, they further move to the lymph vessels in which the lymph fluid will be there. When they move to the lymph vessels, they multiply there. Who multiply? These Ucheria bank of When they are settled down, they enter inside the lymph system, lymphatic system of our body. In the lymph vessels, they start multiplying. Ucheria bank of male and female worm, they start multiplying. They keep on multiplying. As a result, they multiply, they divide, their number increases. The Ucheria bank of increases in number. Suppose this is a lymph vessel. Initially, one or two Ucheria bank of enters into the lymph vessel of our body. After entering, these Ucheria bank of they start multiplying. As a result of multiplication, the number increases in the lymph vessel. Then, when they increases in the number, what happens? It causes blockage of this. The inner diameter of this lymph vessel gets blocked due to increased number of this Ucheria bank of pathogen of this Filariasis disease, and it results into blockage of lymph vessels. When these lymph vessels block, the enlargement of limbs like hand or legs, it becomes enlarged due to blockage of lymph vessels due to more number of Ucheria bank of in them. They block the entire lymph vessels of our body, and it results into a huge swelling of forelimb or hind limbs, and that resembles as those of elephant leg. Therefore, this filariasis can be otherwise called as elephantiasis. It is called elephantiasis also. The common other term used for this disease, filariasis, can be otherwise called as elephantiasis. So, what are the preventive measures, precautionary measures to be taken for this? We have to eradicate the growth of Culex mosquito. Culex mosquito. We are not supposed to encourage, allow the stagnant water in our nearby premises, because if we allow the stagnant water to get collected like pond or small leeches in our surrounding, that becomes a breeding place for the Culex mosquito. When they breed there in our nearby surrounding, there are much chances of bite of Culex mosquito, and during their bite they release this Ucheria bank of into our body, and there will be a higher risk of getting this disease, filariasis. So this is for today. We'll meet with another topic in our next session. So take care. Thank you.